And from that, we go to healthy snacking. Susan Nagowski from Summer Fresh is back. Happy New Year, by the way.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, good to see you.
Thank you.
So this year, it's all about share the fresh. It's actually a new hashtag.
Yeah, hashtag share the fresh at Summer Fresh. Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah, so, and snacking is a big thing with your entire product line. And you actually have some new stuff that we should be watching for.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, people are changing the way they eat. They no longer eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but they're noshing all day long and snacking all day long. So Summer Fresh created a line of single snack salads that are great.
Snack and go.
Snack and goes, and they come with a little spork, and we've got 5 exciting flavors.
Yeah.
Less than 200 calories, great source of protein, great source of energy, fiber.
Yeah, and great to sustain you through the day until you get to dinner.
Exactly, exactly. Or that 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 8 o'clock urge post-workout or after workout.
And then when you're sustained, you're not gorging when you get home.
Yeah, that's what happens to me. I starve all day.
Keep that level plane.
Yeah, I want to eat everything around.
Yeah. So what are we whipping up today?
Yeah, so today it's all about, as we said, healthy snacking and healthy eating. It's all about share the fresh. So we thought we'd come up with some recipes to come up with a Buddha bowl.
Okay.
Really easy. We're going to make our own dressing. So I've got some olive oil. And this is all on our website, summerfresh.com. A little bit of chili pepper. I like it spicy. A little bit of maple syrup. A little bit of soy sauce. And I love using hummus in my salad dressing. I actually have it every day. This is a container of our roasted garlic hummus, but you can use any one of our 80 different flavors of hummus that are available in the refrigerated deli section.
Do you know offhand, do you have a runaway #1 that people are grabbing? Or?
Yeah, the roasted garlic is one of the top. It's
kind of the classic.
Yeah, top SKUs.
Yeah.
So we're just going to whisk this. So you can do that.
I'm sorry. Here I am. I'm just being. Oh boy.
I'm going to get you to work this morning.
Sorry.
No problem.
I got the whisking for you, Susan.
Thank you. Buddha bowls are great. Fun, creative, easy. Eat in a bowl, and they're simple to make. A little bit of lettuce.
Yeah.
Put in a bowl. A couple of radishes sliced up. Great source of fiber. Some sliced cucumbers. And they're so pretty. Some yellow peppers. Some carrots. Look how colorful.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing.
Some onions. You can use red or white, or a combination of both.
My arm's getting really tired, Susan. I don't
know. But look how great of a job you did.
That was textbook whisking.
You did it. You did
Look
it.
at that.
And then I've got our Summer Fresh Snack and Go, and this one's the 7-grain flavor, but you can take any one of our flavors, and it's great portion size. And you can add chicken or beef. I've got sweet potato here as well.
Yeah.
Look how simple and easy.
And healthy.
Exactly. A little bit of escarole. And then you can just drizzle your salad dressing.
Okay. Drizzle away.
Yeah. Great meal, and it took us literally a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Simple and easy. Keep pre-cut vegetables in your refrigerators, and then the Summer Fresh Snack and Goes. We also have for upcoming entertaining or a great quick dinner, or a quick lunch is lettuce wraps. So instead of having bread and burgers, we've got lettuce wraps. We've got
That's a very popular trend.
It is.
Losing the bun and replacing with lettuce.
Forget the bread. Let's use veggies. Well, how can we consume more vegetables? So we've opened up the lettuce.
And these are quick too. I bet you can do it in less than 15 seconds because that's all the time we have left.
Okay, get the Summer Fresh Snack and Go beans.
Make it happen, Susan.
Okay, we can do it. Avocado. You want to pass me the cilantro?
Okay.
Some avocado slices.
Yeah.
A couple of cilantro leaves.
Yeah.
A little bit of corn.
And there we go. And actually, we have some finished ones over here. Again, all the recipes are at Summer Fresh. We'll link up your website at CHCH.com.
Thank you. Happy Friday.
Yeah. And share the fresh, right?
Hashtag share the fresh.